this is how to do Grand Battement, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Cheryl Ale. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here teaching dancers and teachers to be their very best. This is, after all, ballet for everybody. This is what we do. We are going to help you with your Grand Battement energy patterns. And Grand Battement, I bet you never heard that stuff before. So let's get this going so those battements are boing, they could even hit you in the head. Okay, Grand Battement. At the end of the bar, the grand movement of the leg, the battement of the leg. Okay, so mostly people take a Grand Battement. I'm going to give you some how-to about this, that we start from either first or we start from fifth and we Grand Battement, right? Now, typically if you do it like this, it's like picture to picture, right? There's not a lot of energy in that. And I know everyone wants to get their leg higher, right? And the way to get the leg higher en croix is to have some kind of an impetus to do that. Now, if you're familiar or you take jazz, there's a lot of impetus in jazz kicks and you go back to go up. So the derivative of the combination I'm going to give you is very Vaganova. It's a Russian way of really using the energy. We call it the principle of undercircle. So let's show this from first position. I have my professional dancer here, Danielle from Ballet Palm Beach, to show this. So just do this without the impetus and just Grand Battement front and side. Okay, so that's a nice Grand Battement. How does that feel? Does that not very good. Now, if you rond de jambe and go to fourth in the back and give it some more impetus under circle, now you can see the difference and the quality is very different. Doing that again on the left leg. Let's try that so we're balanced on both sides. Feeling the impetus in the under circle and the under circle. Correct. Good. So that's the way we like doing Grand Battements. If she were to go sideways, you could see that this passes through first and goes under. So this circle is continuous. So we'll try it from this side also. And up, and up, and up, and up. And also you can start it from the front. From the front, push, yes, exactly. So see the impetus of that. Impetus, impetus, impetus. Good. Very good. If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribe. This channel is all about helping you dance better. So go ahead and right here, down here, over here, subscribe. See you next time.